Hi everyone, welcome to .NET Master. So guys, today I'm going to discuss about the resumes mistakes. I have seen 1,000+ students resumes review. Okay, and also not only the freshers. I used to do the review for the 10 years experience, 10 years, 5 years, 3 years. 0 to 10 I can say. Okay, so the point major mistakes I have seen from the freshers, they just only, they not follow the first of all the ATS kind of, they don't know aware about what exactly the ATS, how the ATS is going to be work, what are the rules for the ATS to crack. So when I run their resumes for getting the ATS scores, so maximum they are going to be get the 40 to 50 ATS scores only. Okay, so freshers, I can say, lot of students, especially they message me, sir, I'm not getting interview calls, what I need to do. So, and most of the students, I have seen that, just they take the templates and they modify it. And I can say it's my personal opinion when my view is it's wrong actually. Templates, you get some idea, but don't copy paste the same thing. You should have your own voice, you should have your own ingredients, I can say. Okay, so everyone is different. Don't copy paste, be your own. And whatever the skills you have, you clearly mention that one, and don't mention any extra skill if you don't have that one, because it's going to be cost a lot when you go for interview. Okay, so most of the students, they mistake that at least I need to be get interview calls, I will put all the skills. That is wrong. Okay, so first learn skills properly, step by step, and mention in resume what exactly you know and what exactly you are going to be contribute when you get selected. This is the most important points. And most important, resume whatever you are speaking. Let's suppose you are speaking about the project, experience, course, training, whatever you are mentioning, it should have some proper proof. I can say that proof. Let's suppose you completed some certifications, add that link in your resume. Okay, it's add the value to your profile. Okay, so still if you have so many confused, not able to build your resume, we are going to be do the resume build, resume building service as well. Right now the offer is going on, I'm going to be give you the best offer for you. So hope this month, July and August, September, this is the 3 months, lots huge openings are going to be. So please don't make mistakes in resume. Okay, so it's your career, so don't think for whatever is there, it will be going first. If you're not getting interview calls, immediately start working on your resume. Okay, so suppose if you're not able to do the resume thing, so please reach out me, we are going to be help you out. Check out our success stories, after students taking the resume service, how they get the placements or something. And apart from the resumes building service, also we do the training and placement service and interview preparation kind of services as well. So if anybody students is interested about interview preparation kind of service, or training, and let's suppose you are weak some technical skills, you are not able to explain in interview, so then we help you out for that kind of students. Okay, so if any kind of students if need any kind of help, please reach out. Please message, please DM message in LinkedIn. Okay, please do the message in the LinkedIn, our team is going to be respond to you. Okay, this is a genuine service. If anybody is interested, please reach out. Thank you very much.